Audio Jungle.
What do you tell people who maybe are in your shoes from last January who are like, "Huh, what's this laundry thing all about? Can I just go like collect a bunch of money?"
Don't think of it that way. What I would tell you is absorb every piece of information you can. Read, listen, get involved. I wish I had been more involved with the CLA and networking and met more people in person first. Because I was a little bit of a lone wolf out of the gate. I'm now getting better at the networking part, but it's learn, read, talk, do whatever you can to get your hands on every piece of laundromat information, whether it's the wild, crazy stuff, because there's some wild laundromat content out there, to the general, like, CLA content, which is so informative. You can do it. It's totally doable. I did it. You can do it. Just learn a lot. Get your
Yeah.
information under your belt and learn. I mean, learn. Go to your town hall. See what that permit process is like. I'd never had to get a permit for anything before, and I had a little anxiousness about it. Just go and talk to somebody there. They're willing to give you their time. They're there on the clock
Yeah.
anyway. So, and coming from this sales background, I come from a world of possibilities. Everything is possible. I may not know how we get there, but it's
Yeah.
possible. Let's figure it out.
Yeah, that's great stuff. Catherine, I've got one last question for you. And it's one I ask everybody. I want to know what's one thing that we could be doing today that's going to make us better tomorrow. And this can be business related, it can be in just personal life, just great advice you've heard along the way. But I'll ask you one more time, so because I'd like to drop this on people, and if people are going to be on the show, they'll eventually listen and know that I'm going to ask this question. But the question is, what's one thing we can do today that's going to make us better tomorrow?
Use AI. Get familiar with and use AI. Uh, it was my assistant building this laundromat.
Hmm.
Totally dove into it. My GPT knows everything about this laundromat. I since moved to using Claude more. I feel like Claude's kind of the smarter older cousin. Plus, you can program things on it. I've gotten deep into AI since the laundromat as well. But yeah, use AI. It will be your assistant. It will create frameworks and it will make your life better. I Claude schedules everything for me. Claude does all the chore work. You just have to learn a little bit about it to utilize it.
Yeah, that's good advice. It's interesting how much that's coming up these days, but I think it really is important that we take the time to learn about the things that show up that are a little bit scary at first, right? I mean, AI was really scary. It's still a little bit scary, let's be honest,
For
but
sure.
it's less scary when you know what the heck is going on and you know how it works and you know how to use it and you can start to leverage it in ways that gives you back some of your time. So I think that's really good
Mm-hmm.
advice.